Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri and I'm reporting to you from our Boxborough location. Today we're going to be checking out 2015 Mercedes-Benz SL400. A very special vehicle with only 28,000 miles. It has exceptionally low mileage, an attractive color combination. Wait until you see the interior color. It comes with a thorough and consistent service history, transparent ownership history, clean Carfax. It has an array of factory options. Most importantly, it comes with factory original body panels and paint. A total of $8,800 in factory options contribute to a $93,000 MSRP in 2015. Some premium features include panorama roof, sport package, premium package, which includes a lot of cool things, and we're going to show it to you all. But right now we're going to look at the underbody of this Mercedes SL400. There is a reason we would like for you to see the underbody of the vehicles from our inventory. The condition of the underbody speaks a lot about the car, and looking at the underbody we can show you some details of the vehicle that obviously you cannot see when the vehicle is on the ground. We're going to start from the very front of this car, and the very front is the lower part of the bumper, which is intact, and something that you always want to check with sports cars and cars with low road clearance. So the splash shields are in impeccable condition, all intact. And there's something else we did with this car, we do with many others, we offer it as a service. There's a spray-on liner that you often hear about when people apply to the truck beds. You can actually do a similar material, slightly different composition. It's a little more flexible, but it's just as durable, and we apply it to the bottom of the bumper. This is not something you can see, but it is there, and it definitely adds a layer of protection. So we had it done on this car. Back to the underbody. So the splash shields all in great condition. All the hardware is in place. All the suspension components were checked by our technician. The four-wheel alignment was done, and the new Continental sport tires were installed. You can see the details, the sizes of the tires, and when I say sizes, front and rear, different. These are staggered wheels. We also, we always check wheels, rims for trueness, and we noted that the front rims had minor out of round, so we actually sent them out and had them trued. So we have 4 perfectly straight wheels. We installed 4 brand new tires, and we didn't just install them, we did what's called road force matching, where the tire gets optimally positioned on the rim for the optimal, smoothest performance. As I'm walking under the vehicle, you can see absolutely spotless underbody. Spotless not only from the dirt standpoint, but there are no scrapes. Nowhere in the underbody you don't see any scrapes. And it's a very simple drivetrain. It is a rear-wheel drive vehicle, classic powertrain, where you have the engine, transmission, driveline, and then you have the transfer case or a differential, and it's in the back. And then you have half axles that transmit torque to each of the rear wheels. As you can see, everything is properly aligned, in great condition, and absolutely no concerns. You can see nice and clean rims and dual exhaust is perfectly aligned within the openings in the rear bumper. This is another thing we always check, these clearances right here, because sometimes if the exhaust system gets bumped or the bumper gets damaged, they would not line up. So not only they line up, but again, all the splash shields line up, all the hardware is in place, and there are no scuff marks. There are a couple other things since we're on the mechanical topic of the vehicle. The tires are new, the rims are straight. We also did a B service, which is a combination of parts and services that performed on scheduled basis on the Mercedes, and not always it's scheduled only. It is often to do with how the vehicle is driven and how many miles it's driven. So we did the B service, which included the synthetic oil change, the cabin filter, engine air filters, and variety of service checks. As I said, we did a four-wheel alignment. Undercarriage detailing, it was clean, but we detailed it. The front bumper valance was spray on liner was applied. We did the paint correction, and we're going to see the beautiful paint. And then we did the exterior and interior detailing. Nice looking rims. We're going to look at the car obviously on the ground, but while it's up on the lift, we can look at the lower portion of the car that are not often seen or could be carefully inspected when the vehicle is on the ground. So far, AMG rims look beautiful. You can see condition of rotors in very nice condition, no rust. And as you will see from our listing, we are showing about 70% material remaining on the front brake pads and about the same on the rear brake pads, and the rotors are in great condition. Minor blemish on this rim right here, so take a look at that. When I say minor, it's hard to see, but it is there. And that was right front rim, and the right rear rim looks very nice, no issues there. And you can see the brake rotor, great condition. No scrapes on the rocker panels or lower sections of the car, lower section of the bumper. Everything looks very, very nice. We're going to have another quick look at the car before we lower it completely. We have it down halfway so we can see the front suspension. As you can see, exceptionally clean. Look at the tire, look at the condition of the rotor, massive AMG calipers. Another look at the body panels. No dings, no chips, no scratches. Rear bumper in great condition. No blemishes to report. And driver's side, starting from the front and all the way back, looks very, very nice, including the lower section. So let's lower the vehicle and look at the interior engine compartment, and we'll run the engine.